What's up, guys? This is a Garia city cart. If you're interested on how to set the clock, come around to the right side of the gauge and just hold that button in for a few seconds, and then it'll start flashing in set mode. So just hold it in. 1, 2, 3, about 3 seconds. You see it starts flashing. Then you can go, as I hit the horn, then come to the left side of that button. Do it quickly, and you can go down, to whatever time you're looking for. Just keep going. We're going to need a 10, or you can go up with the other side, 11, 12, blah blah blah. So it depends on which way you want to go, is which button you use. And once you're set the hours, then you just wait a moment. Just wait. Right side will start flashing, and then do the same thing, go up or down depending on which way you need to go. And when you're done, you just let it sit for a second and it will go back to default, and you're ready to go. Well, as I hit the horn again, there's hours, there's miles, just by pushing that button there. This button here can do other things as well. It can show your messages. If you have Wi-Fi messages or whatnot, this thing is pretty impressive. Anyway, check out our channel. We got all kinds of cool stuff relating to golf carts, city carts, ATVs, motorcycles, dirt bikes, all kinds of cool stuff. And this impressive thing is being returned to the customer after some basic maintenance is done. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.